lemonade in the bottle in there?
So guys, just got my hair done. And today I'm eating.
No, I think that's Papa's. The soda gone?
This feels really weird.
It was a lemonade soda in there. Well, somebody must have
I'm
drunk
eating
it all
beef,
then.
rice, and potatoes.
Because the
Carrots
soda
and stuff.
was one in there.
Sauteed onions.
Get that hair out your mouth.
This is good.
Come here.
I'm trying to get the hair out. It's not here. It's a big ball.
Yeah, so let's go. Turn around. Yeah, you can have this mine. Hold your hand here so I can see. Then?
I'm almost done with it. Okay.
And you need to go get a scarf. Take the stuff back upstairs. Here.
I started really late. So here's my cousin.
Put it there.
For dinner. That
Take it
beef
back
is
up to
so
your mama
good.
room. And you get the scarf. Zamaya, go get the scarf.
I'm eating.
I don't care.
Alright guys. Hold on for a second, please.